Hello friends, welcome back to Microsoft Access tutorial 10. In this video, I'll talk about queries. So what is query in Access? A query is a request for data from one or more tables or queries in the database. So there are 6 types of query in Access. One is select query. This is the most common type of query used to retrieve data from database, from table or queries itself. Second is action queries. These queries perform actions on data such as adding records, that means appending data, deleting data and updating data. Third is parameter query. This type of query prompts the user to put input. On the basis of user's input, this query gives you the result set. Cross type query, this is just like a pivot table in Excel. It summarizes data in the form of rows and columns, right? Make table query is nothing but you create a table out of a query. Union query combines the result set of 2 or more queries into a single result set. So let's get into the practical stuff to talk about these queries in detail. In last video, I linked these two files. One is Excel file and the second is CSV file. So those who haven't watched my last video, they can check out that video. I'll put it in the I button. So first I have to create a select queries, and query can be created through programming as well, through VBA. So I've already talked about it in my previous videos. So you can check out all the Access videos as well. In order to create a query, you will have to click on create and then query designer. Alternatively, you can use Alt C QD shortcut keys. You can select queries from here, tables from here, and both from here, right? And then you will have to click on add, so that query will be added in this panel. Alternatively, you can drag this linked file here, and now you can expand it further. And now you can select these. Suppose you want employee ID, then full name, then job title, gender, ethnicity. You can select everything, age, hire date, and country. So once you select your query, you can run this query then and there, and you can see the results. Alternatively, you can save this query for the time being. Select query, save, and you can run this query now. You can see this query. What if I want to change the result set of this query? Especially, I've selected few columns here. I want everything from this link table. Use delete, and now I'll have to drag star here. That means everything. So now this is equivalent to SQL select star from table, right? So now you will see everything here from this table. If I want to put a criteria here, right? So I'll have to change it. Alternatively, what I can do, I can select each of them, hold shift, and then draw everything here, right? So I can see this. So you can see here is a department. There are few departments like accounting, engineering, finance, human resource, IT, and everything. Suppose I want to focus only on IT. So what I need to do, I'll have to go to design view, and I'll have to put under department, and the criteria I'll put IT only. So if I run this query, I will only see IT. I want to put one more filter here. I would like to see only Asian ethnic under IT. So what I need to do, I'll have to use one more criteria here, ethnicity, and I don't have to put here, but I'll have to put here only. Otherwise, it will take as or. So it will not use and. So I want to use and both the criteria, IT and Asian. So you will see there only Asian with IT department are being shown here. You can see SQL as well. You will see and operator. So in next video, I'll talk about more in select queries and other queries as well. So I want to keep this video till this point, and in next video, we'll talk about more queries and more criteria in detail. Thanks for watching this video. If you think this video is helpful for you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.